Where'd it go, Bubblegum?
It's my food.
Where'd the light go? I need to find a red one.
Yeah, red won't show up well during the day either.
Yeah, but I think they see red. Well, they're more aggressive about red, at least. I don't know if they see it better.
Lipto sees it quite well.
Yeah, she's like, give me that. Give me that thing. I think chickens can actually see color pretty well. It's just, if they see something red, they think it's meant for them to murder.
Nope. Sorry. It's my phone.
What did you find, Breakfast? Did you find a pine cone? You're not into this game, huh? Oh, wait. What is it, Breakfast? Where'd it go, girls? Where'd it go? You're not quite as excited as watching cats chase it, I guess. She's like, what? When do we get to eat something? We need some treats after this, okay? Good girls.